Hey guys, Carlos here with Variable Traders, and today I want to give someone a call that I haven't spoken to in a long time. And I know you guys have emailed me, text me, asking me what's going on with him. Let's give him a ring and see what he's up to. Hey William, what's happening?
Hey Carlos, how's it going, man?
Good, man. How are you?
I'm okay. I'm still in LA, still trading, man. So what's up? Well, what are you giving me
Oh,
the call for?
well, first of all, we want to know where you've been. We missed you in the community. Members haven't seen you in a while. I know a lot of people, at least for me, they text me, email me, say, hey, how's William doing? So instead of me just responding to them, give you a call and you can tell us how you're doing, man.
Thanks, man. What's up, Bearable Traders? Yeah, I went on a trading journey on my own, and in November when I left Bearable Traders, I had a blow up day. It was really bad. It was only $1,200, but I lost all confidence in myself. And I just had to take a break from everything. I just lost complete confidence in myself, and everyone on the team and so many members reached out to me. It was so nice, and everyone really tried to talk me off the cliff, but I had already jumped. I already lost it
Yeah,
all.
yeah.
And it was so bad. So bad. So I took a nice long break, went on a huge journey, and just gotta say I missed all the members from Bearable Traders. I was really close to a lot of them, and that was one of the
Mhm.
hardest things when I just bailed and fell off the earth, man. I felt really bad, and I do want to say, man, I am sorry to all the traders I was in constant contact with. I miss you guys.
Tell us a little bit about what you've been up to, man. I know that you obviously you've been trading, and I've been in contact with you, obviously here and there, just kind of see how you're doing. Because obviously we are friends aside from trading, and aside from the team members, we're friends. And I think a lot of people in the community felt that way about you too. So what you been up to, man? How's trading going? Have you found something that works for you? Have you have found a turning point? Like what's going on?
Yeah, well, first I cut my hair, and so that went off. That definitely went off when I jumped off the cliff. And I, just like everyone else, had some struggling and some ups and downs through the coronavirus thing. So I hope everyone is safe and sound. And just I haven't talked with a lot of people in a while, so I hope you guys are all good.
Hmm.
And then I tried to make tools for myself that I always wanted to do, that I never actually did. And I took months and months of doing this and worked with some other traders to just help my trading. And I'll go more into, if I post some more videos or recap some stuff, I'll make more informational videos on what exactly I did during my time away. But right now I just want to share with you two tools that have really helped me, that I've learned through this process on my trading journey in the last couple months. So is that cool?
Yeah, excellent, man. Let's do it.
Okay, so I finally made an official playbook where I have my setups, the names, and the technical rules that I must follow. And even though I knew all this in my head, I never wrote it down and
Hmm.
studied it, so that when I'm in the market, Carlos, I no longer have to make a decision. The decision has already been made when I'm very clear headed. Now I just see patterns and I trade rules. And that has helped me so much, number one.
I'm with you, man. I think this is important because a lot of members, they have stuff in their head, but they don't actually write it down, and it makes it a little more harder, more concrete to follow. So it's great that you have this here, man. I see the setup now. It looks nice, looks legit. So what do you have? You have a trade also. I see on the SPY as well.
Yeah, I took.
Is that from today?
So yeah, this is my one trade today. It was a one and done, which doesn't always happen, but it did happen today. Um, and just a couple rules here so you can see exactly what I did. I've got a rule right here, which is must have a new high or low for a breakout confirmation on the peekaboo breakout. Must wait for a 1 or 2 minute breakdown immediately after the breakout. And then on the 5 minute, must make a new high with a clear base breakout pattern. So this won't really make sense to everyone, but for me it does. On the 5, had a base breakout. All right, Carlos, doesn't this look long to you? This looks like it wants to go
Yeah.
higher, right?
Yes.
This is
Yes.
a
Yes.
clear breakout. Then we have a little breakdown right there on the 5, and then it peekaboos. This is the peekaboo, man. It breaks up ever so slightly. You see on the 1, it breaks up right there too. And then we have a volume spike, which you can't really see because this was a pre-market trade.
Hmm. Hmm.
But see, we have volume spikes here and here at the high of day, trapping traders. It peekaboos up. Then it makes a new 1 minute low, and it's the very top of a trend. And so it followed all the rules on that setup, okay?
That's great, man. I'm happy to have given you a call and kind of go over this. And And again, just looking forward to a lot more from you when it comes to recaps and stuff like that.
Thanks, man. I hope to share a few recaps. I miss being part of a community, man. There are some really great things, and I really miss it. And I think there's big benefits to trading with other traders and to learning from them and sharing with them and doing videos to help you get deeper into what you're doing on your own trade. So I really miss it.
We're running a promo if you like, man. Memorial Day weekend promo. I'll send you the link.
Oh, really? I get a discount if I want to be a member? All right, man. Thanks so much. I hope to share some more recaps in the future, just here and there.
Take care, man. Talk to you soon.
Thanks, man.